Good evening, Philippines, and good afternoon, UAE. I'm here again in Cornice Beach, walking around the beach, beside the beach, while looking at the sunset. The sunset is in my back. There. You see, that's the sunset. It's sunlight. This is what I love to do every time I have free time. Especially when I was stressed. And this is my stress reliever, and every time I come here to walk here and look at the sunset, I feel calm and relaxed. How about you guys? What do you want? What do you love to do every time you have free time? What is your hobby? Anyway, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thank you very much, my